Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyla. Welcome back to Nyla, baby. Doing my nails in school today. We're digging dirt. Okay. Today I'm going to be getting some water and spraying it on my grandma, and then okay. I'm gonna open the door. Okay, you guys, so today we're gonna be pranking my grandparents by wetting my hands and they act like I'm sneezing on them. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my god, there's a bee right there. I'm gonna close the door. Okay. But like I was saying, yeah, I'm gonna be pranking them. But first of all, let me do my title. Hey y'all, welcome back to Nyla, baby. It's your girl Nyla, and yeah, you know my little name for y'all. What's up, Nyla babies? So let's get into the prank. So first I'm gonna do my grandpa, then I'm gonna do my grandma. They're both in the same room. So I'm gonna wet my hands before I go to my grandma. But let's do it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you like this video, think it's really funny, subscribe and like this video. Give me a lot of views. Okay, I'm going in there. Hi. I'm a daddy, I'm a daddy, I'm a daddy, I'm a daddy, I'm a daddy. I need to wash my hands. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so today, don't have any more homework. I'm gonna go with my mom. Yeah. Achoo! Ooh. What?
Yeah, I know it's sneezing on me.
I did not.
You did.
I covered my nose.
You sneezed all over me.
I did.
Yes, you did.
But I covered my nose.
You no good.
You said what?
You got on my hand and on the back of my neck.
I didn't mean to, but I covered my nose.
Yeah, okay.
You don't cover your nose, you cover your mouth.
No, because I went like that. I went like that. But I did not get on you. Did I actually get on you?
Yeah, baby, I don't like real.
I don't think I did. Like, I covered it, so how did it get on you?
When you sneeze, it blowed over here on my head and my hand.
I don't know how.
Is that the mailman?
I don't know. I'll go check. I'm finna go check.
Go to the other nose.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. That prank was so good. Like literally, that prank hit spot on. Cause he was like, he grabbed a towel and he wiped it off his neck, his arm, his leg. He was like, you got it on my arm, my neck, and my leg. And then I'm like, how'd I get it on you? So that prank, that was good. Wasn't really bad. It was good. So my grandma told me to go outside and check the mail. So now I'm gonna wet my hand and I'm finna do to my grandma. She's making me check this mailbox when there's literally no mail. Oh, the mailman is turning around. Well, yeah. The mailman is turning around. So I need to hurry up and get back to this prank because it's already been 6 minutes. They've been looking at me crazy because I have boxers on. They've been looking at me crazy.
You done told me what happened since last year.
I don't know.
I know you didn't call like that. Oh, yeah, I think so too. Okay.
Bye. Okay, she said it's been a year since she saw me or my daddy. But we got the mail. Can't show y'all the mail, but we got the mail. She said, I've been getting so tall. She said, I'm going to be as tall as my daddy. My daddy is taller than me. My daddy is taller than me. My dad is like 6 something, and I'm 4 something. Well, my mom said I'm not 4 something. She said I'm probably like 5 something. Because last time I went to the doctor, it was like a few months ago. Probably like 3 or 4 months ago. My doctor said that I was 4 something, but I'm probably 5 something now, like my height. So I'm gonna get back to this prank. So yeah. First, when I checked the mailbox, the mail didn't come until the lady turned back around and she came to give the mail to us. The lady said it's been a year since she saw me, and she said I'm finna get as tall as my daddy.
Mm-hmm.
She said I'm finna get as tall as my daddy, because it's been a year since she saw me. I'm a daddy, I'm a daddy. You said what?
You finished with this food?
Yeah.
Throw in the trash can.
I'm not. Let me wash my hands because I haven't touched that mailbox. Because I haven't touched that mailbox and everything. I'm my daddy, I'm her daddy. I'm her daddy, I'm her daddy. I'm her daddy, I'm her daddy.
Your daddy out there?
No.